Hello all. In this video we will be sharing ash gourd juice that has the ability to take out all the stored toxins in our body and purifies our mind as well, increases our intelligence. Just one glass of this juice every day can change our life. Let's find out the benefits of drinking ash gourd juice. When the juice leaves our body, it takes along toxins that have been accumulating for years. Our skin gets new glow, it helps to reduce weight, and this juice removes if there is seed of any disease. And ash gourd juice is tasteless like water. This is one of the highest pranic vegetables in the world. To prepare 1 glass of ash gourd juice, we need to cut a 250 gram piece of ash gourd nearly, and we have to remove its peels and seeds as well. It's very important to remove them because they are bitter in taste. Now we have to cut into small pieces and take it into a blender or juicer. It produces a lot of juice. So if you want, you can add some water or you can blend it as they are. See, this gourd, it is white from inside and mildly green from outside. After extracting this juice, make sure to drink it within 15 minutes. We shouldn't leave it outside for a long time. By doing this, we are reducing the nutrients present in it. Now I am taking a cloth. This is the cloth available in our home. So for filtering the juice, I am taking this white muslin cloth and I am pouring the juice into it. See, easily the juice is coming out of the cloth. One more thing, you get the maximum benefit of ash gourd juice when you drink it sip by sip. And we should not add any other substance like lemon, salt, pepper, ginger, literally nothing. When we see other videos, people are suggesting to add pepper, ginger, lemon and salt, but we have to take it plain without adding anything. And I'm taking out this pulp and I'm using it as a manure for my potted plants. Another important thing to remember is you must drink it on an empty stomach every day. And don't eat anything after drinking it for at least 1 to 2 hours. If you can eat something, you will interrupt the cleaning. So it's best to have breakfast 1 to 2 hours after having this juice. If you want to give this to your children, we can mix 50% coconut water in it. Let's see how to store it. If we haven't cut the ash gourd, we can store it for several months, and if we need them after cutting, we can store them in fridge for 5 to 6 days. We can drink it in all kinds of seasons. It is in winter, we need to consume the juice in room temperature. And people with sinus and asthma, they also can have this juice. The purpose of ash gourd juice is to throw out all the waste from our body. It's like a boon. It's a unique gift from our nature. So try drinking it and see for yourself. If you found this video useful, then please share it with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.